You ever have a moment where you feel like you're surviving instead of living? For me, that started with my endometriosis. And after I had my surgery, I only had one thought. Am I ever going to look or feel like myself ever again? So believe me when I tell you the last place I expected to find myself again was in my fitness journey. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what rebuilding my fitness looks like as a mom, someone healing, and someone learning how to trust herself again. All right, so I am about to head to the gym, but really quick, I just wanted to chat and catch you guys up with where I'm at on my endometriosis journey and like how my fitness is helping me get stronger and really just kind of get my confidence back. If you don't know, endometriosis is when there's like a lining, kind of like a uterine lining, but it grows in other places of your body that it's not supposed to grow in. For some women, they have absolutely no symptoms. They don't even know they have it till maybe they're trying to get pregnant and they're having a hard time. Some women have it, never know they have it. And then some women have it and they experience like the worst pain all of the time, especially around their period time. Like it's just a chronic pain, and that's how mine was from my very first period. When I turned 12, I was just in debilitating pain every single month. It was just like a known thing with my family. I was going to be on the bathroom floor for at least 24 hours just throwing up nonstop, and it was just normal. We just went on with life. And I didn't know what it was. Of course, my parents took me to the doctor. I'm an Army brat, so, you know, their thing is always just give you Motrin 800. If you know, you know. And so they just kept giving me Motrin and telling me, like, it's normal. Or a lot of times they just think that you're just being dramatic and you just can't handle regular pain that maybe other girls can. Didn't even get diagnosed with endometriosis until I was 28 or 29. I was trying to get pregnant, and my husband and I had been trying for like a year and it wasn't happening. So finally we went to go see a fertility doctor, and everything looked normal and looked fine. So he couldn't figure out why I wasn't getting pregnant, but I kept complaining to him about like trying to get pregnant was killing me because I was hurting so bad every period. That's what made him think, oh, maybe you have some endometriosis. So he did an ablation surgery, and then I got pregnant a couple of months later. Fast forward all of that, my endometriosis came back, of course, like after I had kids years later. It just got so severe at this point that like my ovary fused to my uterus, and then my uterus fused to the side of my abdomen wall. And I was passing out, and it just, the pain was just like if somebody was stabbing me with a hot knife over and over. I would rather give birth a million times over than have my period. Finally got excision surgery about 1.5 years ago, and I am just now starting to feel like myself again. I found an amazing doctor. I did research and I found somebody who specializes in endometriosis. So now I'm just kind of working on like physically getting back. I gained so much weight, 25 pounds during this time because I was just bedridden so much. Actually, I'm trying to get into the best shape of my life. Like at 43, I want to be in the best shape of my life than I've ever been. And what I'm learning through my fitness journey is, for one, like I had to give myself grace. When I was still struggling, before I went to the doctor and I found out what was wrong, I was taking Pilates. I was still trying to work out, and I would be in my Pilates class just like crying because it hurt so bad. But I thought I was just being weak, and it's just like, suck it up, like come on. And then of course, when I found out that my uterus was fused to the side of my abdomen, it's like, oh, no wonder that was hurting, because I was trying to do these movements and it was pulling this whole time. And I'm just telling myself I'm being weak and to suck it up. And like, so I've definitely learned to like listen to my body. If I feel like this is too much, it's too much. Like I'm going to push myself. I'm going to work hard, but I have to know when to stop. And that's something I did not know before. So learning to give myself grace and learning to trust myself and like listen to myself and know like, okay, today's not the day to push. This hurts, like stop. So I highly recommend hiring a coach or a trainer or some type of person that knows what they're doing when it comes to helping you get back into physical shape. Now, thankfully, I'm married to an amazing coach who has trained so many athletes over the years, professional athletes, and he knows like how to modify workouts for me and things like that. So when I first started working out, like I was frustrated because there's so many movements I couldn't do, even months after my surgery. The doctor told me it could take me up to 2 years to feel normal. They had to dig into my psyche quite a bit, and he was able to modify like movements for me and workouts for me, and like it's so amazing to see yourself get stronger and stronger. And like I can do movements I couldn't do when we first started. But if I would have tried to figure this out on my own, or just like downloaded some workout off the internet, I would have hurt myself 100%. I'm all for like, we invest in all kinds of stuff. You know, we love like buying stuff for the house, and you know, I'm all about being cute and makeup and all that other stuff. But the number one thing like investing in is like quality foods, quality supplements, and like get you a coach or a trainer, like somebody that's going to know your condition, know how to work around it. And I loved my Pilates instructor. She was the best. But if I would have been going to my husband and doing Pilates, there's no way he would have let me like keep going. Like she was like helping me lift my leg while I was crying. He'd have been like, no, wait, what's happening here? And he would have nipped that in the bud like immediately. So you want to make sure you get somebody who's just like, who knows what they're doing. And the biggest thing that's like, I have to be patient, especially because I'm 43. Like in my 20s, 30s, I could literally just like say, I'm going to stop eating sugar this week, and I would drop like 5 pounds, like no problem. It ain't that way no more. Like it is a lot of like intention. It's like losing a pound a week now, and I'm just like, the thing is like my goal is to be the healthiest I've ever been, not to just look the best. That's going to be a side effect. My goal is to be the healthiest, like how I'm eating, how I'm moving, my mobility, be like functional long term as I get older, as my kids have kids and stuff. So I'm learning, keyword there, learning, because I'm still struggling, but I am learning to be patient with the process. Like this isn't going to be a quick fix. This is going to take some time. What's the alternative? Like I quit and go back, or don't hit my goal, or look how I want to look, or feel how I want to feel. So that's not even an option. But the key here is just to like show up every day, and just like, well, not every day. I don't work out every day. I work out 3 days a week. But to show up for yourself. And the goal is long-term changes, not short-term bursts with short-term results that we're gonna lose anyway. All right, so let's go. I'm heading to my workout now, and I'm gonna take you guys along. So I went in over Thanksgiving, and I am feeling it right now. But it was worth it. It was so good. It was worth every bite.
There you go. Too easy. Good. Keep your feet on the ground. 2. Good. Up. Punch it. There you go. Up. 2. Yeah, too easy, girl. 1. Good. Up. 2. Good. Up. 3.
Another one?
Yeah.
I don't pay you to be funny.
Let's go. 1. 2. Good.
I absolutely hate lunges, like despise. But we gotta do them.
Come on, baby. Don't stand there too long. You're gonna make it worse. Come on. Good. There you go.
Fuck.
Finish it. Finish it. Yeah. Good job, girl. What's up,
many?
Monster? 8 on each arm.
8.
Yes. Good job. She's not. Everything. There we go. Better. Big pull. Squeeze here. Stay flat. Stay flat. Go where?
I like to like enjoy my time in the gym.
No, you like to take extra rest breaks. Last one. Yeah, girl.
Oh,
You don't talk.
7. Cheers. Let's finish finished my workout. It was a lot harder than I expected it to be because it was an easy workout today. But like I told y'all, I went in on Thanksgiving, so I'm not surprised. Everything felt like a little extra heavy today. Plus I didn't work out like a couple of days last week because I was trying to get ready for Thanksgiving. So a little bit of a reset, but I'm excited to share more of like my fitness journey with you guys as I'm working to get into the best shape of my life and just get healthier. So let me know what kind of videos you want to see. You want more tips and advice on like me showing you the workouts I'm doing and how I'm doing and why I'm doing them? Do you want more like vlog style where you're just like watching me work out, like nutrition, fit, any of it? Just like let me know. And also let me know if you want me to go into more detail. I kind of glazed past the endometriosis and my surgery, but if you want like a video dedicated to like that whole process of my surgery and all that, let me know that as well. As always, thank y'all so much for watching and coming along with me on my little workout day, and I will see you guys next week.